Okay, this is the Bank of America Tower in Raleigh. Cool little lantern. Looks like it's cap here.
Just not downtown.
It's gonna be 7.
It's gonna be over soon.
Oh, in 2016.
Get home, say the cup in, see my king.
I could go over to need this.
Why are you going to 6?
7, you mean?
6, 7.
Let's go ahead.
Oh, are we going to 6? We have to go P3.
I know. Once
We're
I
going to 1.
once I go down.
I'm going all the way back to 1. We already got to 1. We just came back from 1. Oh my guys. I grab 1 to go P3 now.
Oh, let's end it at P3. Just like the other tower, the floors are locked off.
What? What? Oh, I'm gonna hit. I'm getting beat. You beat Alan.
I'll show you something up here. Hold on. See? AC units over there. There it goes. That's it.